Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P2127 pertains to the Accelerator Pedal Position APP Sensor B, specifically indicating a low voltage condition in the throttle position TP Sensor E circuit. This code is significant as it detects an abnormal output voltage from the APP sensor, which informs the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, about the driver's acceleration input. The APP sensor is integral to vehicle performance, as it directly translates the accelerator pedal's position into electronic signals. These signals tell the engine management system and other involved components how much power the vehicle should deliver based on the acceleration demand. This issue can lead to suboptimal engine performance and might affect drivability or cause the vehicle to enter limp mode, affecting safety and functionality. Correct diagnosis of this DTC is essential for restoring normal vehicle operation, ensuring that the acceleration system functions correctly. The primary component involved in DTC P2127 is the Accelerator Pedal Position APP sensor, which is integrated into the accelerator pedal module. Its role is crucial as it measures the position of the accelerator pedal, translating mechanical movement into electrical signals that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, uses to adjust engine power output. The APP sensor is typically located near the accelerator pedal assembly in the driver's footwell area. The sensor communicates with the PCM via signal wiring, specifically reporting values that help determine vehicle speed and engine load. If the APP sensor output voltage falls below a specific threshold, in this case 0.2 volts, the PCM detects this as an anomaly, leading to the storage of DTC P2127. Understanding the integration of these components is fundamental in diagnosing and resolving issues related to throttle response and performance. Several possible causes can trigger DTC P2127. Firstly, a faulty accelerator pedal position sensor, APP, can lead to incorrect voltage readings. As the sensor measures pedal position, any internal malfunction can cause it to output lower than expected voltage levels. Wiring issues, including damaged or frayed wires in the circuit leading to the sensor or the PCM, can also disrupt voltage flow, causing a low voltage condition. Another issue could be a malfunctioning PCM, which may misinterpret valid signals from the APP sensor. Lastly, poor electrical connections at the APP sensor or PCM can result in intermittent faults, resulting in the DTC being triggered. Efficient troubleshooting would require inspecting all these areas methodically. When DTC P2127 is present, several symptoms may manifest, impacting vehicle performance significantly. One prevalent symptom is poor acceleration response, where the vehicle may not respond adequately when the accelerator pedal is pressed. Drivers may also experience unexpected engine stalling, especially during low-speed maneuvers or while idling. Another common indicator is the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, which alerts the driver to potential issues within the engine management system. In severe cases, the vehicle might enter limp mode, a safety feature that restricts engine power to prevent potential damage, thereby making it unsafe to drive normally. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in seeking timely repairs and avoid further complications. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P2127, begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This mode activates the electrical systems and allows the diagnostic tools to read the current status of various sensors. Inspect the APP sensor B voltage using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for its output. According to the diagnostic data, if the APP sensor B voltage value reads below 0.2 volts, This confirms a duplicate failure, indicating the presence of an underlying issue with the sensor or its circuit. This initial step is critical for narrowing down the problem before proceeding to further diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step involves checking the APP sensor's output voltage, which requires preparing to inspect the APP sensor connector. Firstly, disconnect the APP sensor connector, which typically has 6 pins, 6P. Using a jumper wire, connect terminals number 1 and number 3 on this connector. After establishing that connection, turn the vehicle to the on mode again. Subsequently, confirm the HDS reading for the APP sensor B voltage. Normal operation should indicate a voltage reading exceeding 0.2 volts. If this condition is met, it suggests the issue may stem from the accelerator pedal module itself rather than the sensor. If the reading is still low, further investigation into other related components is warranted. In this third step, the focus shifts to inspecting the VCC2 and APS2 circuits to identify any potential issues. Begin by safely disconnecting both the APP sensor connector and the PCM connector to prevent any electrical faults during inspection. It's vital to perform circuit inspections in this order to ensure safety and accuracy. Measure the resistance of the VCC2 circuit, verifying that it is less than 1 ohm when the vehicle is off. Similarly, check the APS2 circuit under the same condition, ensuring a resistance of less than 1 ohm. These resistances should reflect normal operation. If either of these circuits shows higher resistance than expected, it indicates a wiring issue that needs addressing. Continuing the troubleshooting process, this step focuses on confirming circuit integrity by inspecting for shorts to ground. With the connectors still detached, check the APS2 circuit for potential shorts that could lead to low voltage readings. Under off conditions, the reading should be above 1 megaohm, indicating no shorts to ground are present. If this reading is less than 1 megaohm, it suggests that a short circuit exists, which could severely impact the performance of the accelerator system and lead to DTC P2127 becoming active. Assessing these circuit conditions helps to identify whether the wiring needs repair or replacement. The final troubleshooting step involves a thorough inspection of the powertrain control module, PCM. After all previous inspection steps have returned normal results, this would suggest that the PCM could be the root cause of the DTC P2127. The PCM is responsible for processing input from the APP sensor and other components, managing engine performance. To inspect the PCM, check for any abnormal readings in the data lists from the HDS, testing its functionality to ensure it responds correctly to sensor inputs. If the PCM does not register changes corresponding to the accelerator pedal's position, it may indicate that the PCM is malfunctioning and may need replacement or reprogramming. Once repairs have been completed based on the previous troubleshooting steps, the final verification process is essential. Begin by using the HDS to clear any stored DTCs from the vehicle's memory. After clearing the codes, it's critical to conduct a thorough road test of the vehicle, paying close attention to the accelerator response and ensuring that it behaves normally. During the test, observe for any recurrence of the P2127 code or related symptoms. Successful completion of the road test without issues endorses that the previous repairs have addressed the fault correctly. Ensuring that no DTCs reappear confirms that the corrective actions taken have restored the vehicle's performance to standard. Preventive maintenance is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2127. Regular inspections of the APP sensor can help identify wear and tear before significant issues arise, ensuring that the sensor remains in optimal working condition. Additionally, checking the wiring integrity periodically helps to catch potential damage or fraying before it creates faults. Keeping connectors clean and free of corrosion is another essential maintenance practice, as poor electrical connections can lead to erroneous readings and trigger DTCs. Following these preventive measures can not only enhance vehicle reliability, but also prolong the lifespan of critical components in the vehicle's electronic throttle control system. In conclusion, DTC P2127 points to a significant issue concerning low voltage from the accelerator pedal position sensor B circuit, which impacts the vehicle's throttle response and overall performance. The primary components involved include the APP sensor and the PCM, playing critical roles in managing how the vehicle accelerates based on driver input. Conducting thorough inspections of these components, along with associated wiring and connections, is essential to pinpointing and resolving issues effectively. By implementing preventive maintenance strategies, such as regular sensor checks and wiring integrity assessments, vehicle owners can help avert similar issues in the future. Understanding and addressing DTCs promptly will ensure a safer and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.